Okay, so I will be generating a basic roof, basic roof. So let me start from scratch. So it's important to note that the hip rafters are normally at 45 degrees angle on the plan view. Top view, 45-degree angle. So I engage line L, start here, click here. Let me start down here, space bar, click here. Use a suitable length, then press tab to change from line to dimension to degree. Enter 45, enter, enter. So here we have our first line at 45 degrees. Now I'm gonna mirror this line here. So I type MI, enter. Select object to be mirrored, then enter. Select midpoint, 1 point in the middle, second point in the middle, then press enter to retain. So I have that. Next, I'm gonna mirror this line up here. MI, enter. Click object to mirror, enter. Click the midpoint here. Then click in the middle right there, then enter. Now I'm gonna use fillet to join these. So F, enter. Select radius. I want a fillet radius of 0, so enter 0, enter. Then I touch one end of the line, second end of the line to get that. I could also just mirror this on the other side, to get the other side. So MI, enter. Select this and that, enter. Select the mirror line right here, then there, enter. Then I'm gonna join the line in the middle here, enter. No, I'm not gonna use any thickness on this, all right? For now, well, probably I should. So offset, O enter, O enter. Or I could also, but offset, O enter. Or, well, offset distance, let it be, if the thickness of this should be, if the thickness of the rafter should be 50, offset distance must be half of that, which is 25. 2, 5, enter. Select here, there, here, that's N. Click there, click here, click, 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 same thing there and there. So now we have the rafters of here. Next step is to draw a line in the middle, a line here, L, enter. Now I'm going to offset this, or enter, again 25. Click here, then click there to get the first one. The next step is to, I'm going to use a command called array. AR, array, AR, enter. Select object to be arrayed. Okay. Offset, or enter. Or I could just draw two lines, one like this, one line here, engage orthogonal mode. One line here, one line, let this be 50, enter. Enter. Now I'm gonna copy CO, enter. Specify the base point. The base point is here. And for this, specify the second point. I'm gonna type A for click on this A for array. It will ask me to enter a number of segments I want to array. In this case, let it be about 10, 1, 0, enter. It will ask me to specify the spacing that I want. I type 600, 600, enter. Zero, zero, enter. Enter. And these are now spaced at 600 millimeters apart. So I have now 10 of them, which are spaced at 600 millimeters, center to center. So let me take a measurement to see if it is correct. L, from here to here. And that is 600, so that is good, yeah. So now I can move this in place. I can copy this. Well, I would explode it first. Well, I could move it in place and then explode it after. You know, so I would move M, enter, M, enter. Specify the base point. Let the base point be like here. Then I move everything in place. Deactivate orthogonal mode. Move everything to this point right here. Click right there. Escape. Then I'm gonna extend this up to. I'm gonna extend these up. EXT. Extend. Enter. It says select cutting edge. I'm gonna select. I want the line to go up to this point here. I want it to be up to here. Let me undo that. Extend EXTE, enter. Select cutting edge there. What is that? EXTE, enter. Select cutting, select boundary. Boundary is here. Here, there, there, enter. Now I'm going to touch the object. I'm using fence for this. I'm going to touch these. As I move across, they all just go up. Enter. Oh. What you find is that some of these, realize that this one didn't this one, it's good to not to do all of them at once like this, because you would want one to fall right here, yeah. So it would be good for this side, but it wouldn't be really good for this other side here. You need to align, probably align this. I move everything right here, so just click all of this and move it. Click all of this. M, enter. Specify the base point. I'll do it here as my base point, the middle of right, the middle of here, M2P, M2P, enter. So click here and there, and it will pick up here as the base point. Then you move that right there. Escape. But we would need to offset to create one more for this. So trim, TR, enter. Select here as a cutting edge, here, enter. I'm gonna use fence, and I'm gonna touch here, then go up, touch, go up, enter, and it clean off everything right there. All right. You notice that here the space is a little bit larger. Yeah. What you need to do is to undo, undo, undo. Yeah, you need to start from here. So you might, in this case, it might not be wise to start everything from there. No, I could mirror these also. So I select these, type MI, enter for mirror. Then I select here as one base point, one mirror line here, this middle right here. Select here as one point. Could even select here as the other point. Select second mirror line. I could select here as the other mirror line. Down here. Select here as the other mirror point. Enter. And those will be in. For the middle one, you need to draw the middle one. You could also mirror these on the other side. So you could highlight these. Or you could mirror everything here. You could mirror everything here. Mirror everything here. All of those. And those. MI, enter. Select here as one mirror point. Select here as another mirror point. Enter. And we would have those in place right there. Again, we could mirror these three. Click here. MI, escape, we don't want those. So I would click here. MI, enter. Select here as the first mirror point. Here as the second mirror point. Enter. And we pretty much have that. Now we could copy this. Could copy this, or we could just offset that, or enter. Offset distance 25, click here. Click, escape. Then we could mirror these. MI, enter. Click here. And click here. Enter. And we would have generated that. TR, enter. Select this, enter. Touch that gone. So that's the basic. Now we'll go through and trim and delete the middle lines, all of these middle ones, this, that. Delete all of those. We don't want the middle ones. Delete. And we would need to clean up this. We need to do some cleaning up, some trim. Delete. Oh, delete the wrong line here. Delete offset. Undo. I think I deleted the wrong line a while ago. All right, let's offset this. Offset O, enter. 25. Click here. Now, then I'm gonna extend these up to the our fillet. F, enter. Radius, enter. Click this, click that, join them, and we are good. Oh. Delete. So we would could simply mirror this, click this, MI, enter. So that the mirror line should be like it should be between here and there, enter. And that is basically how we generate the roof. Yeah. Yep. It's pretty much all there is to it.